end of the universe. How will everything end? Introduction. Have you ever wondered how the universe will end? The stars, the galaxies, even time itself. Everything we see today will eventually cease to exist. But how? Will it fade away slowly, or will it end in a dramatic cosmic catastrophe? Scientists have been studying this question for centuries, and today we'll explore the most fascinating theories about the ultimate fate of the universe. Our universe has been expanding for 13.8 billion years since the Big Bang. However, just like everything else in existence, it will not last forever. The universe's fate depends on various cosmic forces, including dark energy, dark matter, and the behavior of galaxies and stars over trillions of years. Let's dive deep into what the future holds for the universe. The expanding universe and dark energy, Hubble's discovery and the role of dark energy. In 1929, Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery. The universe is expanding. By observing the light from distant galaxies, he found that they were moving away from us, and the farther away they were, the faster they were receding. This led to the idea that the universe is continuously stretching. However, scientists later discovered something even more surprising. Instead of slowing down, the expansion is actually accelerating. This phenomenon is caused by an unknown force called dark energy, which makes up about 68% of the universe. Despite not fully understanding dark energy, we know that it plays a crucial role in determining how the universe will end. The future of stars and galaxies, the life cycle and death of stars. Stars are born from clouds of gas and dust, and their fate depends on their mass. Smaller stars, like our Sun, will eventually turn into red giants, then shed their outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf that will slowly cool over trillions of years. Massive stars, on the other hand, will explode as supernovae, leaving behind neutron stars or black holes. Over time, star formation will slow down as the gas needed to create new stars becomes scarce. In about 100 trillion years, the last stars in the universe will burn out, marking the beginning of the degenerate era. Brown dwarfs, often called failed stars, will remain as dim, lifeless objects in the cosmos for unimaginable timescales. The evolution and fate of galaxies. Galaxies are collections of billions of stars bound together by gravity. In about 4.5 billion years, our Milky Way galaxy will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. The two galaxies will merge into a single, larger galaxy called Milkomeda. As time progresses, galaxies will drift apart due to the accelerating expansion of the universe. In the far future, galaxies will become isolated islands in an ever-growing cosmic void. Possible endings of the universe. 1. The Big Freeze, heat death. This is the most widely accepted theory. If dark energy continues accelerating the expansion of the universe, galaxies will move further apart and the temperature of the universe will drop. Eventually, stars will die, leaving behind only white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. Even black holes will evaporate over 10 years due to Hawking radiation. The universe will reach a state of absolute zero temperature where no energy exists, effectively making it a dark, empty void. No new structures will form, and the universe will become a place of cold, motionless particles. 2. The Big Rip. If dark energy becomes stronger over time, it could tear apart galaxies, stars, and even atoms. This could happen in 22 billion years if dark energy's effects increase. In this scenario, galaxies would be ripped apart first. Then, planetary systems and individual stars would disintegrate. Eventually, even atoms would be torn apart, leaving nothing but an empty void. The fundamental fabric of space itself could unravel, effectively marking the end of the universe. Number 3. The Big Crunch and Big Bounce. If the expansion of the universe slows down and reverses due to gravity, it could collapse back into a single point, similar to how it started with the Big Bang. This is known as the Big Crunch. Some scientists believe this could lead to a big bounce, where a new universe is created after the collapse. This theory suggests a cyclical nature, where the universe continuously expands and contracts. The universe could be reborn in another Big Bang event, starting the process over again. The final stages of the universe. 1. The black hole era. After all stars die, black holes will dominate the universe. Over trillions of years, black holes will slowly evaporate due to Hawking radiation. The last remaining energy in the universe will come from black hole evaporation, resulting in brief flashes of radiation. 2. The dark era. After black holes disappear, the universe will be a vast, empty space with no light or energy. If protons decay, as some theories suggest, all matter will eventually vanish, leaving behind only stray electrons and photons drifting endlessly in the void. Space-time itself could become meaningless, as there would be no motion, no energy, and no events to mark time. 3. The end of time. Some theories propose that when the universe reaches maximum entropy, a state of total disorder, time itself might lose its meaning because no events will occur anymore. Without any interactions or changes, the universe would reach a state of eternal stillness. Could the universe end suddenly? 1. Vacuum decay. Our universe might be in a false vacuum state, meaning it is stable for now, but could decay into a lower energy state. If a bubble of true vacuum formed somewhere in the universe, it could expand at the speed of light, destroying everything instantly. Scientists think this is unlikely to happen soon, but it's a real possibility in the far future. Number 2, the role of extra dimensions. Some theories suggest that if extra dimensions exist, they could collapse suddenly, altering the structure of space-time and causing the universe to end abruptly. If our universe is part of a larger multiverse, interactions between universes could trigger catastrophic changes. Conclusion: the end of the universe is a mystery, but one thing is certain: it will not last forever. Whether it fades into darkness, rips apart violently, or collapses and is reborn, the cosmos will eventually reach its final fate. Even though this might seem like a distant and terrifying concept, remember that these events will take place over billions or even trillions of years, far beyond human existence. So, what do you think? Will the universe end in a slow freeze, a sudden rip, or a rebirth? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cosmic mysteries. Until next time, keep looking at the stars.